Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Experian for credit inquiry tracking step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.experian.com and press enter. Once the Experian homepage loads, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your personal information. Fill in your name, email address, and create a password. Ensure your password meets the security requirements outlined on the page. Click Next to proceed to the next step. You may need to provide additional information for identity verification. This can include your social security number, address, and date of birth. Complete the identity verification process as instructed. Once verified, review the terms and conditions. If you agree, click the box indicating your acceptance. Click the Submit button to complete your registration. You will receive a confirmation email from Experian. Open the email and follow the link to confirm your account. After confirming your account, return to the Experian website. Log in using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Credit Monitoring section. Look for the option labeled Credit Inquiry Tracking. Click on this option to access your credit inquiry details. Follow any additional prompts to set up alerts or customize your tracking preferences. You are now ready to monitor your credit inquiries through Experian. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.